So today I am going to Victoria, yay, for 2 days 1 night trip, and I'm going to stay in hotel. And if you are someone who will who looking for the inspiration to go next in your trip in Canada, or someone who always postpone it to go to Victoria like myself, you need to watch this video. And yeah, let's watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the Bay Street, and this is our first stop because we looking for the food in this area. So yeah, this is the Bay Street in Victoria. Next is the Beacon Hill Park. This is the natural reserve in the heart of Victoria, and you can see peacock here and many other the animals, and it's really colorful, friends. What I love from this place is the big tree, and everything is so green, so peaceful. And this is our model for today, the peacocks. What, so beautiful. Next, we wander in Chinatowns, the oldest Chinatown in Canada, they say. And we also went to the famous alley, and this is really small, friends, so narrow. And now we are in the market square, so lovely and so lively. And ladies and gentlemen, this is my favorite in Victoria, Galloping Goose Trail. The view is really breathtaking, and also I am biking in this place, and I don't wanna leave from this place.